Markem Imaje is a global manufacturer and distributor of specialised traceability, variable data and product identification equipment. Our vision is to connect and protect every product at every stage in the value chain, building trust in brands across the world. Thanks to our people's innovative culture, we've been doing it successfully for more than 30 years. Innovation throughout the supply chain is key to implementing best practice across a global operation. It means collaboration with colleagues in every part of the business, and particularly with our R&D centres, to develop new technologies and improve the functionality of existing solutions for both TTO and print and apply printers. Innovation is a process of continual change, which means being open to new ways of thinking and working. We encourage and nurture this mindset in everyone at the Thermal Transfer product division. Innovation can be in terms of the tools and techniques we use to design supply chains, all the way through to the actual processes we use to manufacture products. So innovation ranges from, we were the first developers of SmartDate 1 technology, which was the first widely accepted TTO printer in the market, all the way through to the eTouch S program we've just launched, where we stretch the ability to additive manufacture in novel materials. You have to understand this is a dynamic industry. We keep pace by making sure our people have the freedom and encouragement to think laterally and do things differently. It's also about the attention to detail. We invest time, capital and resources dissecting ideas, researching new technology and testing solutions to ensure they add real value. This ensures the wider business keeps pace with our customers' markets, anticipating their challenges they will face in the years ahead. The fact that everyone here in the product division is part of a global operation is a major asset. We can tap into the experience of skilled engineers all over the world. When you walk into the R&D centre here in Nottingham, it's like opening the door to thousands of similarly minded people, each of whom is committed to innovation throughout the supply chain. Their aim is to ensure our customers can operate as competitively as possible.